Which plant therapy blend is better? The Lucky, Luckier, or Luckiest blend? The Lucky blend will make you feel like the luckiest person alive. This bright, clean, citrusy blend has a hint of mint that will put a spring in your step and brighten your day. Diffuse Lucky and the magical aroma will freshen a room, energize your spirit, and give you a feeling of confidence and motivation. Dilute with your favorite plant therapy carrier oil and create an invigorating shoulder and neck massage oil blend, or add to a lovely foot bath. Whether diffused or diluted and applied topically, this charming blend will feel like liquid luck in a bottle. But what's better than being lucky? Being luckier, of course. To celebrate your good fortune, we've created Luckier, a unique blend that includes the fresh citrus scents of pink grapefruit and lime steam distilled, along with spicy black pepper and sweetly floral magnolia flower. Finally, don't settle for being luckier, be the luckiest. Our complex, unique blend combines Himalayan cedarwood, coffee, German chamomile, vanilla, copaiba, Atlas cedarwood, blood orange, cardamom, and lemon to take being lucky to a whole new level. Luckiest was created to evoke the scent of classic warm Irish cream coffee. With the sweet buttery scent accented by nutty notes and the rich smell of full-bodied coffee, Luckiest is going to become your favorite way to wake up. So if you are in need of a little luck, why not pick up 1, 2, or all 3 of these fabulous blends? Your luck will thank you.